others. Let's check out if anyone needs help. Let's check out what has happened up ahead. Little rabbit and little squirrel, what are you doing? We are having a picnic, but the naughty little dark clouds are making trouble. We can't have the picnic if it rains. What shall we do? Let me draw a windmill and blow the dark clouds away. Magic brush comes to help. Windmill. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Someone needs help. Little hamster, you look upset. Little painter Mew Mew, I want to make starlights. Can you help me? No problem, I'll help you. Stars are high up in the sky, but I can't fly. How can I pick them? I've got an idea to help you fly to the stars. Magic brush comes to help. Hot air balloon. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Green. Fantastic work. Little hamster wants to get in the hot air balloon. Wow, there are so many stars. Tap to collect stars. kettle to pour water. Magic brush comes to help. Kettle. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Yellow. Green. Red. Well done. Remove the stains from the stars. The clean stars are sparkling. Let the stars swing to blow them dry. The stars are dripping. When will they dry up? Use a hairdryer to make the stars dry faster. Magic brush comes to help. Hairdryer. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing? Blue. Green. Yellow. Red. Well done. Blow dry the stars with a hairdryer. The star lights are ready. They look fantastic. Come so bright. You're welcome. See you.